we are going to explore pen tool in Photoshop. Pen tool is this one. You can just press P, enter, or you can click on here. If I want to, for example, trace this ball, first I'm going to create a new layer, and you can just click. This is the same simple way to do that. This is not the best way. We are going to explore different ways, like a better way. For example, if you click here, first let me right click on here and delete the path. I click one point here, and second point, click, don't release the mouse. You can have handle. As you notice, this handle affect the curve and the angle. If you hold Control down, pen change to arrow. So this is the time that you can change and modify, edit your work. And the first part of the handle, first half affects this curve. I hold Control, and you can see that this affects the first curve, and second half going to affect upcoming curve. So for example, if I click on here and this second and hold Control, the second half you can change it. The best way is to create two handles. The thing that you can see here, the line, this is path. At the top you have option path. Path doesn't have any thickness. If you save the file and open, you cannot see this because it doesn't have any thickness. Let's go explore two handles using pen tool with two handles. I click the mouse, don't release, and draw a line. If you, by the way, hold shift down, your line going to be vertical 45 degree or horizontal. But if you leave mouse shift, you can have any angle. And I'm going to start making another path. Click, hold, and now you have two paths. The good thing is that you can control this, you can edit this easier. If I shift Control down, and also from here. Okay, let's go make a path, trace this ball. First I'm going to right click and delete path. Start from this point click, I hold the shift to have vertical handle, and click on this point and hold shift, and now you can edit that.